Today we will learn about the use of these, that, these, those. We need to know first why and where we should use them. This is very basic level of grammar, but still many people make mistakes in using them. So today we are going to learn the proper use of them. Today I will teach you to use some advanced level so that you don't have any problems or confusion in the future. These, that, these and those are used to indicate the location of a person or object. It can be one person or one object, or more than one. That means they are used according to the number. It can be singular or plural. Then you have to remember one more thing, that the object is near or far. There are two things you must keep in mind all the times. That is, the subject is singular or plural, and the subject is near or far. That and those is used when an object is far away from us. However, that is used with singular number and those is used for plural number. These and these are used when an object is near us. However, this is used for singular number and these is used for plural number. For example, this is a ball. This is a ball. Here's a ball and it's close, so this is used here. That is an apple. That is an apple. There is also an apple, but the apple is far away, so we have to use that here. These are balls. These are balls. Here the balls are close but many, so these have to be used. Those are apples. Those are apples. In this case, many apples but far away, so we have to use those. I will use this when the object is near and when the object is to be 1. And if it is a plural number, then you have to use these. If the object is far, then that will be used, but if it is 1. And if there is more than 1, then those will be used. But in this case, it has to be a plural number. Hope all your confusion is gone. If you have any questions regarding this, please let me know in the comments. I will answer you. This is basic grammar. Now let's learn some advanced level, which will be useful to you every day. For example, this is often used to identify a person. This is John. He is from America. This is John. He is from America. Or this is Rohit calling from Canada. This is Rohit calling from Canada. Again, when we talk on the telephone, we use some sentences like this. Who is this? Who is this? This is Sam calling from Dubai. This is Sam calling from Dubai. So, here we learn that this is used on the telephone to know someone's identity and to introduce oneself to someone. That is also used to ask for someone's identity on the telephone. Is that Mac? Is that Mac? Did you know that these, that, these and those are used as pronoun instead of noun? Let's take a look. Look at that. Look at that. Here we could say instead of that, look at the moon. Look at the moon. Moon is noun. I use that instead of moon. So that is pronoun. Let's look at a few more examples. I like these. I like these. This is very tasty. This is very tasty. Those are not ours. Those are not ours. Let's learn some sentences that are used every day. Use of these. Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Listen to this. Listen to this. Who broke this? Who broke this? This is not fair. This is not fair. Is this your bike? Is this your bike? This is delicious. This is delicious. Can you answer this? Can you answer this? Use of that. Is that true? Is that true? That is mine. That is mine. That's the way. That's the way. Let me see that. Let me see that. That boy is smart. That boy is smart. Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Use of these. These dogs are big. These dogs are big. These parts look real. These parts look real. These socks do not match. These socks do not match. These things are not mine. These things are not mine. Can you mail these for me? Can you mail these for me? Use of those. Those are my books. Those are my books. Those are my apples. Those are my apples. Those apples are big. Those apples are big. Those houses are big. Those houses are big. Those are my shirt. Those are my shirt. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.